I'm Kimberly Kay with your entertainment report from MidHudsonNews.com. Well, posing as the airline pilot of the flight he was kicked off of, Alec Baldwin apologized to himself on Saturday Night Live. The actor appeared on the sketch program's Weekend Update on Saturday night to lampoon Tuesday's incident in which he was kicked off an American Airlines flight for refusing to stop playing a mobile phone game before takeoff. As a southern mustachioed airline pilot, Baldwin issued an apology for the incident. The joke, though, was how obvious the ploy was. The actor referred to himself as an American treasure who was playing a word game for smart people. Weekend Update host Seth Meyers repeatedly questioned the thinly veiled performance, asking Baldwin, "Are you sure this is the right way to handle this?" So great. Well, Kris Humphries wants to forget his 72-day marriage to Kim Kardashian and just concentrate on getting ready for the NBA season. Asked by Good Morning America if he still loves Kim Kardashian, Humphries laughed and said he's focused on what he can control, which is being ready to play ball and supporting my mom and her cookie baking. He wouldn't give any details about his request for an annulment. JWoww from Jersey Shore considers it the highest accomplishment of her life. Did she win the Nobel Peace Prize, you ask? Nope. Find a cure for cancer? Nope. She's on the cover of Maxim wearing a skimpy bathing suit. JWoww tells Maxim that when she heard she'd be on the cover, she cried. Then she started jumping up and down and totally bugging out. The issue comes out as Jersey Shore returns for a 5th season, January 5th. Oh, that is such a beautiful story. Well, Kevin Federline ended up in the hospital while trying to lose weight for a reality show in the heat of Australia. Federline is competing in the show Excess Baggage. A rep for the series tells People.com that Federline was showing signs of heat stress. The temperature averages more than 100 degrees in the part of Australia where he's taping the show. After a short stay in the hospital, he returned to his workout. In local entertainment news, Fourth Wall Productions, the premier regional theater company of the Hudson Valley and owners of the Beacon Theater, are bringing back The Christmas Wish to the Hudson Valley. It's a fun and heartwarming musical story. Performances are December 16th and 17th at 7 p.m. and the 18th at 2 p.m. It's at the Cunin Hackett Art Center at 12 Vassar Street in Poughkeepsie. Tickets are $10, and for tickets or more information, you can log on to thebeacontheater.org. That's your latest entertainment report. For a new update daily, log on to MidHudsonNews.com. I'm Kimberly Kay.